Hello guys, I am Keramettin Kutlu. I am studying at Konya Federal Agriculture University. In this video, we are going to study generics in Java. Let's start. In this video, we are going to make storage box example. Let's create a new class named storage box. If we want to make it generic, we need to make like this, and it will be any type of items, and we can say capital T like it. Now let's write our variables. Private T, and it will be array, and let's say items, and we need to write a variable which is capacity, and we need to write size of box. Now we need to write a method which is storage box, and we need to say that its capacity we will say we want which how many capacity it will be, and let's write and show that capacity equals to capacity, and this box size will be 0, of course, size equals to 0, and this items will equals to array of the array list, new object capacity. To TS. Now let's write a method which will show if the box is empty and if the box is full, and let's start with empty boolean. Let's say it's empty, and it will return size equals 0, and if it is full, is full, and it will return size equals to, of course, capacity. Now we are going to write a method which is adding item and removing item. Let's start with adding item. Public boolean add item, the item, let's start with if is full, if our storage box is full, let's say storage box is full, and return it must turn false. But if it is not full, we need to add what we write: items size equals to item, and let's write which items what we write. You add it plus, let's add item, and it must return true. And let's write remove method, and we don't need to write boolean, of course, and remove item if it is empty. Let's write that the storage box is empty, and return null, but it is empty. But if it's not empty, see moved item equals to items. We need to write the left side, and that's all. And let's write out print line remote item. It will show which items what we removed from our box. Remote item, and it will return removed items. That's all for our storage box. Let's try our main class. Let's say our storage box, and we will say which type of box will we use. Let's say string box1 equals to new storage box, and in here we need to say which capacity will we use. Let's say 3. Now our box's capacity will be 3. Let's try to add some items to our box. String box1 dot add item. Let's say some fruits and vegetables like apple. Box1 dot add item orange, and box1 add item banana. and let's check our box is empty or not. Box 1, that is empty. Let's check what will we see. As you see, we add some items to our string box 1. Let's see apple, orange and banana, and we checked here if our box is empty or not, and it says false. It means that our box is not empty. Let's force to add some items more and see what will be happen. Item, let's say tomato, and what will be happen? Let's see. And when we force to add some items to our full box, it says the storage box is full. We couldn't add new items to our full box, as you see here, and it says the storage box is full. Now let's remove the items here. We need to write a while. Use while, and this will be easier. Let's say if not our box 1 that is empty, box 1 that remove item, and let's see. As you see, this method removes our items in the box 1. Banana, orange and apple removed our box, and let's check it is empty or not. System, let's use here. As you see, we removed the items from box and we checked if the box is empty or not. As you see, it says that's true, and we saw our box is empty now. As you see, firstly we add some items and checked if it's empty or not. It says false. It says our box is full, but here when we remove the items from our box, it says empty. It's true. Let's try another type of a box, storage box. Let's use integer now. Box 2 equals to new storage box, and we need to say to our box capacity, let's say 4, and let's add some integers to our new box, which names is box 2. Add item 10, three, and 9. And now we didn't add 4 items to our box 2, and let's check it is empty or not. System out print line, box 2 is empty. As you see, it says we added 10, 3 and 99 to our box 2, and when we check the if our box 2 is empty, it says false. And let's add the last integer to our box 2, 11, and check our box is empty or not again here. As you see, it says not false. It says false and our box is not empty. And let's check here. Box 2, that is full. What will we see when we execute? As you see here, we can check it is full or not. I want to use this method here, and what will we see? And we can select this and execute again. As you see, when we add 3 items to our integer box 2 and check if it's full, and it says false because our capacity here is 4, and when we add 3 items here and check if it is full, it says false. But here, as you see, when we add 4th item to box 2 and check if it's full or not, it says true, and we saw that our box is full here. And let's remove the items from box 2 and use while again here. Box 2 is empty. Box 2, remove item. And execute. As you see, this method removes our all items one by one. 11, 9, 9, 3 and 10 is removed our box. Now let's try to remove more items from box 2. No item, and when we execute, what will we see? Let's see. And it says, as you see here, when forced to remove items from empty box, it says the storage box is empty. When we want to see if it's empty or not, it says true, and our box is empty here. Thank you for watching.